Hi guys, and welcome to another farming video. Now I'm just gonna show you guys how nice the lettuce are folding. So these are iceberg lettuce, so they're rolled like cabbage, so they're rolling nicely. And this is a head that is a bit bigger, so they're coming along very nicely. And I had sprayed them yesterday to keep off any insects, and as I had said before in a previous video, lettuce don't need a lot of spray because they don't harbor a lot of insect. Let's just be in there. Let's just be. So these are the things that pollinates the like if you plant melon and tomatoes and such things that carry blossom, they pollinate them so they bear better. So guys, so these are the cucumbers that I have stringed up. So what you want to do whenever they're running, you want to the cucumber carry these parts, so you want to take them and wrap them around the string so that they can hold in that direction. So that's what I've been doing. So they have already put on cucumber fruit, so that's the cucumber fruit, and it's putting out a lot of cucumber. Seriously, it is. So most time you have to turn them in the direction that the card is. So you show them a leeway where to go. Like for instance, these were running into the tomatoes, so I turn them back into the direction of the card so that they can run on the card. See how this one is running along very nicely. Oh, that's the process. And tomatoes are really beautiful. They're flourishing very well. And this is the new broccoli that I have planted. It has been 3 days now because I planted them on Monday evening and today is Wednesday. So it has been 3 days since they have been planted, so they haven't catch as yet. So these are the new broccoli. As if you had watched my videos, you would have seen that I had lost a broccoli previously, so I have decided to plant some more. So this is the broccoli, just to get them catch off, and then they're good. Hopefully I get a little bit of rain on it so that they can flourish even better, because I have to be hand wetting these. This is the old broccoli that I have lost. Some trees are still standing, and I have cut a few pounds out of this, but that's how life is. So